So we're now going to do our single leg bridge. Again, you'll know whether you're supposed to be on your heels or your toes. If you're a runner at this point, you should be on your toes, or if you're trying to get back to return to sport. So remember, the further away you go, the harder this will be on your legs. So you're going to start at a relative amount of kind of 90-90, like our tabletop position. And then your progression will be to move yourself further along your mat. So we're on the balls of our feet, and from here, we're going to start to lift one leg off. So we've got a tabletop position. We've then got our working leg. So can you stand into your foot, feel the heel start to lift, let the calf activate, and start to send that knee over your foot so you come up. Pause at the top. Is your 3 and 9 on your clock equal? And then can you pull your heel to your bottom as you lay your spine back down again? Great, we're going to stay with the same leg. So again, you're pressing into your foot. Feel that trigger your heel lift. There's your calf. There's your hamstring. Bottom will lift. Spine will follow. Are you settled at the top into your shoulders? Can your opposite leg still be vertical, not coming over you to try and keep those hips square? And then lay yourself back down again. Keep this working leg vertical as well. So we've got a nice amount of inner thigh working. We're going to do one more. So again, feel that when you press into the ball of your foot, your toes can wobble. It can trigger your heel to lift. Here's our hip extension. We've got a little bit of active plantar flexion in your foot, so that point. Are your hips equal? Is your shoulders relaxed? Can you feel a stretch in the front of your thighs? Your legs should be working here, not your back. And then really try and reach your spine towards your legs. So we're laying ourselves down nice and gradually. Well done.